Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. Before starting, make sure your laptop is turned off and disconnected from any power source. Step 1. Remove the battery. If your model has a removable battery, slide the lock and gently lift it out. This is crucial for safety. Step 2. Unscrew the back panel. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Carefully pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger, taking care not to damage the clips. Step 3. Disconnect the screen. Locate the screen connector, which is usually near the motherboard. Gently disconnect it by pulling it straight out. If you're unsure about this step, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help identify any issues. Step 4. Remove the broken screen. The screen is usually secured by screws in the corners. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Once unscrewed, carefully pull the screen away from the bezel. Be cautious of the LCD cable connected to the screen, ensure it's fully disconnected before proceeding. If you feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. Step 5. Clean the internal components. Before installing the new screen, take a moment to clean the internal area with a microfiber cloth. Dust and debris can affect performance and cooling. Step 6. Install the new screen. Align the new screen with the bezel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure the LCD cable is connected properly to the motherboard. Step 7. Reassemble the laptop. Replace the back panel by snapping it back into place and securing it with the screws. Don't forget to reinsert the battery if removed. Step 8. Power on and test. Finally, power on your laptop to test the new screen. Ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter issues, our service includes providing a quote before repair, so you know what to expect. By following these steps, you can successfully replace your HP laptop screen. If at any point you feel overwhelmed, no calls, no travel, we're just a message away to assist you with your repair needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.